For the look at the escapement, we need to unscrew these two, 1, 2, not touch, don't touch the in the middle one, and then this one, this one, this one, have to unscrew easily. Whole part it's coming out, very convenient. But before that, you should disconnect the one spring. This spring you need to disconnect because this whole thing take out. So you should disconnect this spring first, and then unscrew for both sides. Unscrew, then easily take out. This escapement totally stuck, so it's very notorious, right? It's a Facit 1620. Always the same problem. So I already applied WD-40. Also I put the oil, and then I tried to turn a lot but does not move. So this time I want to use this one. This one is very good. Also happening around here. Also the reverse reversible turning and the turning direction. This one is also very sticky. See? It's very sticky. So we need to clean this one also. Sometimes it doesn't turn properly. That means also sticky. That means each hit the key, it's very hard. It's related to the turning mechanism with hitting any keys. So you need to clean this part. Also you need to clean this part. And then most important thing is that this one, it should freely turn, but it's totally stuck. So I want to use this one. It's very helpful. So right now I use just one hand. So still I think it's okay. See? Let's see. You see the very little movement. No, it's dangerous. I use the two hand. Okay. It's started to move, but it's not freely. Still very sticky. See? Yeah, this tool is very good for this one. So we need the time a lot, and then we need WD-40 again, and then oil again, clean again, several times. Keep going. After that, later it will works good, but still it's very hard. So okay, so this tool is good for this one, but use the two hands. Also, it was totally stuck, this one. Right now it's move right like this, but it was totally stuck. Also another thing is belt trigger totally stuck. So now where is it? This one now is working. See, it's hard to see, but this one it's totally stuck, does not move. But now it's move like this, right? Before it doesn't move, totally stuck. Now it started moving. See? Yeah, finally. Yeah, it should be like this. But still more soft, right? Right now. Yeah. Now it's working. So like this, right? Yeah. Now it's working properly, right? Let's see. See? Yeah. Okay, finally, that means it works for the backspace like this. It's working good. And then another problem is the tap clear function does not work properly, so it's disconnected, right? So then another problem was I guess one more thing. This one does not work properly. See? So we need to maybe screw this one. Then I think everything will be okay. Let's see. Funny thing. Someone take off this one and then put here instead of here. It should be this unscrew and then put back here. Also, this one is not correctly screwed this part, so we need to fix this one and then this one, then it will be okay. That's the final work. Let's see. Oh, it's done, everything working perfect. And then I put the original position so it works. See, then move it to here and then tap. See, and then also this one works perfectly. For the variable line space, normally we use this one take off and turn, but don't do that, just use this one. Why? Because it's very notorious for that. There is just two screw, very small screw, right? This one and then another one. So if you use this one for the variable line space take off like this, that means it's very this part make weak, so eventually it does not works. This one also a little that kind of a problem. I have Facit 1620, 7 of them. So I got another one with the same problem. So don't use this one for the variable line space. In order to use variable line space, just use this one, then no problem. Very softly. All right, finally I fixed this one for the escapement. Use the I already mentioned the tools. So after that I cleaned everything. It looks like brand new, right? All right, thank you for watching.